So I'm going to start the cloud code, and he's not calling me back because he had a commitment for like 10 minutes or so. So before he calls me back, I think the MVP would be ready. Let's see. So guys, I think we have made the app. We definitely made the front end, but I need to just update my Expo Go because it has given me. I have this calendar, right? Because I'm working on a couple of projects in Cursor in my local laptop, right? But I also want Hermes agent to be integrated to this whole process. Basically, it's also using the same systems, but I can't use it. But I want Hermes agent to use this cloud code system. How do I do it? I created a GitHub, which is this one. This is like a secondary GitHub from my primary one, and I'm just telling Hermes agent to push something to Git so that we can know that the Git is working or not. And I haven't seen anything here, so step one. Okay, so what I would do is go here and this is kind of wild. This is a workaround, right? This is an Ubuntu running on my Mac, but it's actually a cloud Ubuntu. It's actually this. So this is a ZBrush server. So this is where my Hermes agent is. So I'm kind of worried because I don't want to ruin my Mac, and I'm kind of worried because I kind of was doing something on Windows and Windows crashed. I don't think it was the LLM's issue, but I just don't want to risk it. So I'm just going to use the remote server. And what we are doing here is to use Hugging Face, and I want to use the text to voice model in order to clone my reels and stuff like that. So let's see how it goes here. But the cool thing about this workflow is here I have the SFPT. So here I can see whatever is happening inside the Ubuntu, which is the server. This is the ZBrush server, which is in Singapore, and I'm using it in UK at the moment. When I go back to India, it will be much faster. That's amazing workaround, but I'm kind of confused at the moment regarding Hugging Face, but I think it will come back. This is why Openrouter is the next big thing. This is why you should create models inside Openrouter. So here I wanted to actually analyze a PDF, a CSV, and an XLS file here. So it's somewhere here, right? But in Openrouter, initially I was in GLM 4.7 Flash model. But this model doesn't have the capability to translate CSV files and XLS files. So I have to switch the model inside Openrouter to ChatGPT-1. So to OpenAI GPT-5.1 Codex. Now I can actually make it, right? I did not have to purchase a new OpenAI credential, and if I want to, I can use all of these models: Anthropic, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, Grok, all of these models without paying separately for all these models. I just have to pay one time in Openrouter, and it's a pay as you go payment scheme. And here, after I have completed the important task, I just have to switch to the free model right now. So you can kind of do all the things that you wanted with one API call using different LLM models.